Some PS4 users may encounter the error code NP-44125-6 when they try to invite their friends to play games or accept the invitation from their game partners on PS4. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error code mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Check PS4 network status. As a basic fix in this process, you should go to the PS4 network status page to check your PS4 network status. If you find that a PSN function does not work, what you need to do is wait for Sony to fix that. If everything displayed on the PS4 network status page is okay, you can be sure that there is no problem with your network. Method 2. Stay up to date. The PS4 system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your PS4. So, if the NP-44125-6 error code is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the PS4 system software can resolve that. Otherwise, you should check for a game's updates and version manually. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 3. Change DNS settings. To fix the PS4 error code NP-44125-6, you can also try to change DNS settings, which can help break many limitations with your IP addresses and access PlayStation services. I recommend you use the Google Public DNS. Method 4. Restart your PS4 and network settings. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn off your PS4 completely. Next, turn off your router Wi-Fi. Now, disconnect the power cable and wait for at least 1 minute. Reconnect the power cable and boot your PS4 console and router. Once the restart is complete, you can try to invite your friends to play games on the PS4 console to check if the error code NP-44125-6 disappears. Method 5. Rebuild PS4 Database. Press and hold the power button for at least 7 seconds to turn off your PS4 completely. Boot into safe mode by pressing and holding the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Connect your PS4 controller to the console with a USB cable, and then press the PS button on the controller to enter the PS4 safe mode. In safe mode, 8 options are available and you need to choose the 5th one, Rebuild Database. Once you have chosen the Rebuild Database option in safe mode, you need to wait patiently until the process is completed. When the process is complete, invite your friends to play games to see if the problem is resolved. Method 6. Transfer games to an external drive. Visit Settings on Home page. Find the Storage option. Tap on System Storage to open the hard drive. Now tap on Applications to find the number of games installed. Find the options on the PS4 controller and you would find the option to move in the extended storage. Choose the games you want to transfer and click on Move to finish.